In this video, we are going to explore the SQL AVG function, a fundamental tool for computing average values within SQL databases. The average function is an aggregate function that calculates the average value of a numeric column in a result set. It returns the arithmetic mean, which is the sum of the values divided by the number of values. Importantly, it ignores null values in the calculation. The basic syntax is: select AVG, column underscore name, from table underscore name where condition. Consider a table named employees, with columns like employee ID, name, department, and salary. To calculate the average salary of all employees, we can use the query: select AVG salary, AS average underscore salary from employees. This would give us the average salary across all employees. Based on the sample data provided, the average salary is $72,500. We can also use the average function with the group by clause to find the average salary for each department. The query: select department, AVG salary, AS average underscore salary from employees group by department order by average underscore salary desk, calculates the average salary for each department and orders the results from highest to lowest average salary. From the given example, we can observe the average salary for each department. The average function can also be used with a where clause to calculate the average based on certain conditions. For example, select AVG salary, AS average underscore high underscore salary from employees where salary greater than $60,000, calculates the average of only salaries that are greater than $60,000. The where clause filters rows before the average calculation. This is different from having, which filters after aggregation. Combining where with group by allows us to analyze specific subsets of the data. In this case, the average salary for all employees is $72,500, while the average of higher salaries is $82,500. We can use the having clause to filter groups based on the result of the average function. For example, select department, AVG salary, AS average underscore salary from employees group by department having AVG salary greater than 70,000, first groups employees by department, then calculates the average salary for each group, and finally shows only departments with an average salary greater than $70,000. Having filters after the average calculation, while where filters before. So the where clause filters rows before they are grouped and aggregated, whereas the having clause filters groups after they have been grouped and aggregated. By default, the average function ignores null values in the calculation. For example, in a table of employees with employee ID, name, and bonus columns, if some employees have a null value for bonus, the average function will exclude these from the calculation. If AVG bonus equals 5,000 plus 6,000 plus 4,000 divided by 3, which equals 5,000. Note that the null value is excluded from both the sum and the count. To include null values as zeros, or another default value in the calculation, we can use the coalesce function. For example, select AVG coalesce, bonus 0, AS average underscore bonus from employees. This replaces null values with 0 before calculating the average. Therefore, AVG coalesce bonus 0 equals 5,000 plus 6,000 plus 0 plus 4,000 divided by 4 equals 3,750. Use the average function alone when null means not applicable, and use coalesce when null means 0 or another default value. Some of the best practices while using average function are: consider the data type, use round for presentation, handle null values appropriately, and filter outliers when necessary. Select department, round, AVG salary, to AS average underscore salary from employees group by department. This example helps in rounding to 2 decimal places. For comparing with overall average, select department, AVG salary, AS department underscore average underscore salary, select AVG salary, from employees, AS overall underscore average, AVG salary, select AVG Salary. From Employees, AS Difference from Employees Group by Department. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.